To all our loyal customers and good oil fans, due to COVID-19, we have sourced glass bottles locally and quickly to ensure that there is plenty of New Zealand grown and cold pressed oil on the supermarket shelves for you. Expect our bottle to look quite different for a short time. However, the really good news is it's a 1 litre bottle at the 750ml bottle price. More good oil for you at no extra cost. This is something we think everyone out there could do with at this time. Remember, cold pressed oils are best kept out of the light, UV. Reduce exposure of the oil to direct light by storing your bottle in the cupboard or covering it with a tea towel, just until we get back into our regular dark tinted bottle again, which is currently in the process of being produced here in New Zealand too. Take good care, New Zealand. Be safe, from all the team at The Good Oil.